Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the sheet open and permission. Start now. Click the header row and freeze it so column labels stay visible while you edit. Next, check collaborators in the top right, coordinate edits to avoid conflicts. If you need structure, insert a blank column or row and set data formats like date or number before pasting. Once done, enable version history so you can revert. These first actions reduce errors and make subsequent changes predictable and faster. Now focus on transforming cells. Type formulas directly or press Ctrl+Enter to edit multiple cells. Use $ to lock references when copying. Apply data validation to limit inputs and conditional formatting to highlight anomalies automatically. For repeated calculations, use array formula to expand a formula across rows and import range to pull another sheet's range. Grant access when prompted. Create named ranges for clarity. Finish by setting sharing permissions carefully. Invite people with editor rights only when necessary. Make a backup copy or download as XLSX or PDF for archiving. Review protected ranges to ensure formulas aren't accidentally changed, and use version history to label a stable milestone. If something goes wrong, first undo or restore an earlier version, then clear browser cache or test in an incognito window to rule out local sync issues. That single troubleshooting step, restore then clear cache, fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.